If you feel you have to go through college alone, there's good news. You don't. In fact, you have an entire team of educational professionals whose job is to help you succeed. Now the question is, do you know who they are? They're your college success team. And if you're not sure who that includes, don't worry. That's what today's video is about. So stick around and let's break it down. Hello, and welcome to Navigating College. I'm Dr. Sirian Villavicencio, a community college professor with a passion for helping students like you succeed. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to your college success team, the people who help support you throughout your college journey. Your core success team includes your counselor, your major professor, the department chair, your academic advisor, teaching assistants or graduate assistants, your librarian. And there are a few other important people you should know as well. Your financial aid specialist, the academic or instructional dean of your division, program directors like learning communities or study abroad programs, and the department and administrative secretary. Now that may sound like a lot of people, but think of it this way. College is basically a team sport. You're the star player, but these folks are your coaches, trainers, and support staff making sure you actually make it to graduation. So let's go through them one by one. Let's start with your college counselor. For this video, think of your counselor as your academic wingman. I've talked about counselors in previous episodes, but their importance can't be understated. Their main job is to help you create something called a student education plan. This is basically a roadmap for your degree, and it shows you which courses you need to take and when you need to take them so you graduate on time. Counselors can also help you choose or change majors, understand graduation requirements, and plan your transfer if you're at a community college. My recommendation, meet with your counselor at least twice a year. Think of it like a GPS check. Because wandering through college without a plan is a little like using Apple Maps back in 2012. You might get there, but it's going to be messy. Next up, your major professor. Ideally, when you choose your college or university, you looked at a department you want to major in and found professors whose research or interests match yours. That professor can become a major mentor for you. They can help you find research opportunities, internships, apprenticeships, or provide you graduate school guidance. This professor may also be the person who writes letters of recommendations for you for scholarships, for internships, graduate school, or your first job. So here's a pro tip. Take multiple classes with professors you connect with. Visit them during office hours. Ask questions and build a professional relationship. Yes, office hours can feel intimidating at first, but professors are not mythical creatures that disappear into the faculty lounge. For better information about office hours, please see the link video. We're actually pretty normal people who like helping students succeed. Now let's talk about the department chair. The department chair is a senior faculty member who runs the department. They help oversee things like curriculum development, which courses are offered, faculty hiring and mentoring, and ensuring academic quality. They're also usually the person who handles student concerns or grade appeals if an issue can't be resolved with a professor. But beyond administrative roles, department chairs often know about honor seminars, research opportunities, conferences, student clubs, or honor societies in the discipline. So introducing yourself to the department chair can open doors you didn't even know existed. Next is your academic advisor. At universities, advisors are usually located within your major department and specialize in helping you plan your major requirements. They help you track progress towards your degree, plan upper division coursework, stay on track for graduation. At community colleges, professors in your major often serve this advising role as well. Academic advisors also help connect students with campus support services, like tutoring, basic needs, DSPS, student success programs, help navigate learning systems like Canvas and other learning management systems. Think of advisors as people who help you solve problems before they become crises. Now, if you attend a university, you'll probably meet teaching assistants or TAs, or graduate assistants or GAs. These are graduate students who support professors and help run courses. They often lead discussion sections, grade assignments, hold office hours, work with students in smaller groups. Because they're students themselves, just a few years ahead of you, they can be incredibly helpful. They also could give you great advice if you're thinking about graduate school. Plus, let's be honest, sometimes it's easier to ask a TA a question that you might feel awkward asking the professor themselves. Now let's talk about one of the most underrated members of your college success team, your librarian. In the age of Google and AI, some students think librarians are obsolete. Not even close. In fact, I'm going to argue they're more important than ever. Librarians specialize in information literacy, which means they teach you how to find reliable information, evaluate sources, use academic databases, cite sources correctly, and avoid plagiarism. They can also help you find scholarly articles and research materials for your research papers. Trust me, once you discover how powerful library databases are, you'll realize Google is just the appetizer. The library is the full buffet. Now let's talk about someone who can make college financially possible, your financial aid specialist. These professionals help students navigate your FAFSA applications, opportunities for grants, helps you find scholarships, helps you fill out federal student loans. They also verify documents and help you understand your financial aid package. If you're planning to study abroad, they can even help you find funding opportunities like the Gilman Scholarship from the US Department of State. So yes, financial aid specialists are basically the people who help you keep the college dream affordable. Next, let's turn to the academic or instructional dean. Most students don't interact with deans directly, but they're important to know about. Deans oversee entire colleges or divisions and supervise faculty curriculum development and other academic programs. They help ensure academic programs maintain high educational standards. They're also usually the person who handles serious academic issues if they can't be resolved within the department. On the positive side, they're also responsible for recognizing academic excellence through things like the Dean's List, which honors students who achieve high GPAs. Colleges offer programs designed to help students feel connected and supported. These programs are led by program directors. Programs like MESA, Puente, Umoja, or the INAPI Student Success Programs help students connect with communities and access mentoring, leadership opportunities, conferences, and internships. These programs make a huge difference in helping students feel like they belong to campus. Last but not least is your department administrative secretary. These are the people who keep departments running smoothly. They manage front office operations and help students with things like registration questions, academic paperwork, navigating university procedures. If college bureaucracy ever confuses you, and trust me, it will, department secretaries are often the people who know exactly how to solve the problem. So let's quickly recap. Let's review your college success team. Remember, counselors help you build your student education plan. Major professors become mentors and research advisors. Department chairs oversee the department and academic opportunities. Academic advisors help track your degree progress. Teaching assistants provide extra academic support. Librarians teach you how to research like a pro. Financial aid specialists helps you pay for college. Deans oversee academic programs and recognize academic achievement. Program directors help you find community and other opportunities. Administrative secretaries help you navigate college systems. So here's the big takeaway. You are not navigating college alone. Behind the scenes, there's an entire team of people dedicated to helping you succeed academically, professionally, and personally. College may give you a lot of independence, but it also gives you a lot of support. You just need to know who to ask. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Do you know your college success team? Who have you met so far? And who do you still need to connect with? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about navigating college successfully, check out my next video on how to choose the best professor for you. Let's keep navigating college together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.